Hello, this is Sandeep SD. You are 16CS081 and this is experiment number 2 for Case Tools Lab. In this experiment, what we are supposed to do is we are supposed to make a class diagram for the same conference management system class diagram which we did in experiment 1. So what I basically did is I created the base class as conference body, which is having the name, address, and event that is supposed to be handled, and it has the functions of adding an event, deleting an event, making seating chart, generating the token. Now we have a student. A student is generally a general mass public that can actually book the conferences. So for instance, here the student's name will be taken, the email, the roll number. Now the student should be able to validate what the conferences he is supposed to take. He should be eligible to search the conferences, the payments, and book conference, cancel the conferences that the students already made. Now coming back to the booking system, assuming that the student has made a conference, he can search the conference, and from there he will go to the booking system. The booking system has user account, choice of payment, booking number. Now there are four kind of methods that can happen in a booking system, that is the collection of the payment, generate a ticket, sending the SMS to the user back, and sending a mail to the user's email address. Now there is another system or another problem. There are some things that can happen most commonly. Those are problems that occur. So for instance, just to solve those problems, we have a system known as grievance system. This is having a user ID, a message, a contact details. Now these will send a message like store complaint, reply to the complaint. It will, you can reimburse the payment, verify the status. Now there is another system here that is known as admin. So admin is the particular system wherein a singular person who is having the entire authority over the entire database can make update changes and modify the entire content. Now that is username, data, additional information, contact details, and payment status. Verify data is the way he verifies whether everything is legit or not. He can add a user, he can delete a user, he can trigger messages and send mail to the users and everyone. He can contact a user via call. Now coming to the storage system. Storage system is the major chunk of the database or the entire system wherein all the data is stored. For instance, if the storage management system is destroyed, everything goes in main. Now it contains of status and the data, and then it has three functions: store, update, and delete. Now going to the middleware. Middleware is the one which is having all the statuses about the users and various other perspectives. For instance, we have a connected device, a registered user, and a current status. So the connected device will store the number of devices that are connected, and registered users will be the register ID who are connected using the account, and then we have current status. Now going to the authentication of the user and checking status of the user. Thank you. Hence the program has been executed successfully. Thank you.